Hey guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing my watercolor set and drawing gradients with it. Hope you like it. Let's go. So this is my new watercolor set that I never opened before and I'm really excited about that I'm unboxing. And this is also new too. It's a watercolor, like a drawing book. So I hope it works well. Let's go. It's really small and I think I'll just check it out. Okay, so there's like all these colors here. And I will open the watercolor. Oh. It comes with tiny paints that you need to peel off, so I will do this real quick and come back to you. I'm all finished, and this is how the paint will look like if it's all peeled off. And there's this brush that comes together. It's a tiny brush, and we could use it as with the watercolor set. Now let's go try out the gradients. There's this technique I use, so I put water on the brush and put it on the paper, and it gives you cool effects if you put on the watercolor. I think that's enough water for now, so let's try putting on the paint.
And you gotta make sure that you get like the paint really wet to get it like a really nice color. That's vermilion, and that's how we're gonna start the gradient.
I'm not a professional artist, so I'm trying my best to make it look good. Now I'm done with the first layer, so I'm gonna mix the vermilion and this yellow in this tiny palette. Oops. I think that's enough yellow for now, so I'm gonna mix it. Okay. And I'm gonna mix some white in it to make it a little more lighter. But I need to make my brush very clean. And if it gets too light, don't worry, you could just add a little bit of vermilion in it. Now, I'll just put it on top of the vermilion I put on. Oopsies. And this color actually changed automatically to the yellow side, so I'm just gonna skip yellow and move on to the darker yellow. And if it's too dark, I'm just gonna add a little bit of white in it. It's just a tip, but I will recommend you for like putting water onto the color that's changing. So basically like this. If it looks like it's not really changing well, then you add a little bit of water on top. Okay, so I'll start with the dark yellow now. So after putting the water between all the changes of color, I am gonna color the whole thing white to make it a little bit more, you know, the first time I put water on top, I just wanted to make the white a little more brighter. Feel free to add stuff like water or any color in your artwork. I'm gonna put this paint after this whole thing dries, so to make it a little shiny. I will show you how the artwork ended in 3, 2, 1. I put on this paint that I just showed you after it dried, and then don't forget to please like and subscribe. At least if you don't want to subscribe, please like, or if you didn't really like it, it's gonna be okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.